Hello everybody! Today is a special day because Valentine's Day is coming, it's the Chinese New Year and it's also the Lunar New Year, which means we can bring all the red we want in the world because it brings a lot of good luck. Today will be a cat eye with an ombre lipstick makeup. Don't forget to prep your skin. I want you to take your favorite foundation for now because it's winter. I love to wear the Etude BB cream because I'm so done wearing strong foundation. I just want my skin to show up, you know. I'm so tired of all these beauty vloggers just showing you their skin with filters. We are over. Pluto is in Aquarius now. We need to show our real self and stop hiding behind filters. We are with our skin, our body, it's our temple and we need to cherish it. Today is definitely a self-love concept. Concealer. I just love this one. I will be so sad when I will not have it anymore because it's my lifesaver. It's the same color as my foundation, just a little thicker. Like your heart if you have been trying to date in the past 3 years. Blush. Lilybyred. It's a little heart. Valentine's Day. Let's show ourselves some love. We don't need men or women to prove we are the best. We just need to show ourselves what we truly are, and that's my goal this year, to only care about myself, my family. It's time to embody the main character energy. Powder from Peripera. It's working on a lot of skin. I know it seems there is a lot of white powder, but no, actually it even worked on a model that had black skin color and it worked perfectly on her. I was scared at first, but it did work. Don't be scared to apply your powder, you need it. And don't forget to apply powder on your neck because it will protect your turtleneck from becoming orange or brown or whichever color you're using for your foundation. Eyeshadow. Natural colors. I love to have a base that is beige or something really neutral. It just feels like my eyes are popping more when I use it. So natural, we love it. And even, you know, if you don't have anybody on Valentine's Day, it's fine. Just go out yourself or go to work, go to school, wear your makeup, just enjoy it. It's for yourself. It's not for anybody else. As for myself, I'm planning to go get myself some cake. Valentine's Day is a perfect day for me to finally get the cake I deserve. And now is finally the time to do the black eyeliner. If you're bad with a pencil, just use a brush like this one. It's my favorite one. The advantage with the eyeshadow is that if you fail your liner, you just have to smudge a little, then start again. 2 line and boom, that's enough for my cat eye. You can make it longer if you want, but honestly with my eyes, I wouldn't. I tried and I really didn't like it, so that's how I'm doing it for the last 10 years. And see, slowly you're building up. One thing about people is going too deep first. I like to be like an architect when I'm doing my makeup or even hair. I'm just going slowly and then I'm building up instead of trying to go too strong and then be like, what am I supposed to do with that? So this is how I'm doing my makeup. I'll be honest, it's actually a makeup I'm not really doing nowadays. I prefer something way more natural. But every time I'm invited to a party or an event and I need to do some glamorous makeup, this is going to be my makeup. Please don't forget under. Just a little is enough, but it will show how your eyes, you really worked on it. You don't have to use black. I mean, if you want to use other colors, it's fine. Like a nice bronze or gold color. I'm also using white under because I want to make my eyes pop a little. There is so much black that I need to show people that I do have also a pure heart sometimes. I honestly love this new era where we see women empowering women. And I guess that's why on YouTube there is so many villain playlists. I feel like women are finally putting boundaries. My favorite thing ever, from my great-grandma to my grandma to my mom, the black pencil. That's a thing that is passing from generation to generation, of course new one, but we are all using it. And I feel like as a mom, I will also have to teach my kids where to buy their liner, how to do it, because that's our legacy. Now, any mascara will do the trick. You don't have to just look for mine. In my family, we are quite lucky to have long lash, except my mom. She has been complaining about it since I'm a child, which is kind of funny to me because I cannot do anything about it, and she also hates wearing mascara. And now my favorite thing ever, doing the lipstick, an ombre lipstick I learned how to do more than 10 years ago when I was working at MAC Cosmetic. And you just need 3 things: a lipstick, a light lip pencil, and a darker one. Small tip, if you don't have a dark lip pencil, you can use a black one for your eyes. Just make sure to clean it before and after, and it just works perfectly. First, apply on the corner some dark colors. Leave some empty place for your lighter color. Please trust the process. I will make you believe that it's absolutely the best lip trick ever. Now we are going on red, but then I realized my red is not working, so I decided to use some pink, and it's just perfect. I love pink lip brush. I love to use them, especially with a purple combo. It just looks amazing. I kind of wonder what it would look like with just a gloss on. Should I try? Now I'm adding again some purple just to make it darker and to blend everything, and then red lipstick. Red lipstick is also a thing in my family. My grandmother had hers, my mom was using her mom's lipstick, and then I had to buy my own lipstick. I haven't found a new good matte red lipstick yet. This one is from L'Oreal, and it's definitely one of the best red lipstick I ever seen. Redefining with a lip brush, because one of the most difficult things to do in makeup is a beautiful red lips. And now I'm adding a crown because I just feel like Snow White. I use that opportunity because you need to also think about yourself. I did a photo shoot by myself in my room. I took my camera and I just took some pictures for Valentine's Day, and it just made me more happy than if I was going on a date with a random person. Sometimes you just realize that your own love is the best love you have. What do you think about this makeup? See you next time, and get ready because this year will be full of new tips and tricks. Bye!